The Sahara Desert expands by several kilometers each year. Bananas grow on trees, but actually they grow on large plants. The heart of a blue whale is as heavy as a small car. The Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. The world's largest cave, Sun Dong, is located in Vietnam. Honey never spoils. Some jars found in ancient tombs were still edible after thousands of years. The coldest place on Earth is in Antarctica. The Great Barrier Reef can be seen from space. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and 2 of them stop beating. The moon has no atmosphere, so no sound can travel through it.